Hey, just wanted to say welcome to my channel, and I'm taking a little visit back in my into 2020 where I was already fuck. Missed. 2020. Yeah. Oh. Hey, welcome to my channel. Listen, I just want to take a little time to revisit some of my old videos where I shot horizontal, like for I guess TikTok, but I never wasn't doing TikTok. I just didn't know the format. Let's take a little look. See, I'm a little long-winded in one section, but I hope you'll enjoy. Have a good one. So it's May 23rd, 2020, Saturday Memorial Weekend. And it's just starting now. About 1 p.m. So in the middle of our workout here. It doesn't take one exercise or one position to cause regurgitation. I have these breathing spasms every 15-20 minutes, whether I'm hiccuping or not, 24/7. So they're always like hiccup-igniters, like you have a flint and you're doing you're flinching to try to start a fire. That's what these breathing spasms are. They're just ways the body's trying to trigger an episode, and it's very successful. I'm getting better at trying to keep them back. Playing more time. So, here we are. Very fortunate to be to have this as a gym. Take a break. So again, it's May 23rd, 2020, Saturday. So, take here. Just some pot. That usually helps. Calm things. Yeah. A lot of things we try just to calm it, huh? Very lucky we here though. Very lucky. This is gonna die. It's a good place to be. So it's May 24th, 2020. Sunday. Sunday, Memorial Weekend, 5:17 p.m. And, oh gosh, it's just really getting really crazy. Here, 1 second ago. To the camera, because quiet's down. I think it's really aggressive. This is so fucking sucks. And there's nobody out helping in this at all. I have to learn to live with this. Yeah. 5th, 2020. Yeah. Our anniversary weekend. 18 years. Entering 19. 29th, so. My shoulders are just a mess. They're so sore. Just everything. The pressure in your chest. This is not quality living. This is there's nothing fun about it at all. Oh my god. This is getting harder than it's been. Miserable. So it's October 9th, 2020 at 7:57 a.m. This started around 6 a.m. This episode. This is ridiculous. So I have 6 physicians currently working on this case 5 years into this condition. 6 doctors. I think 5 are gastroenterologists and 1 is a thoracic. They're all communicating together, but can't figure it out. Go figure. Months ago, they talked about redoing some tests. I've yet to be scheduled for any tests. Can't go do it myself. So, it requires the doctor's scheduling. So I have Monday's appointment, because I keep appointments to keep these guys on track. I go into my appointments, they make all these suggestions of what we want to do. A month that goes by to the next appointment, nothing's been done. And because there's nothing that can be done. Finally, I think a doctor finally realized that. And wrote a note saying that this is without hope, this is a permanent condition, which is exactly true. I believe now, after 5 years in a support group where we had 106 members, patients, or caregivers speaking on behalf of their partner, husband, children who have this. And some less years than me, some more. And we're all suffering. Severely suffering. Some get to very suicidal levels. That's where the support group comes in. Where we kind of rein in everybody. Try to keep everybody positive. I can be one of those people. I expressed my despair the other week or so, and they all came to my rescue, as I do them, because that's all we have. That's all we have. You know, if you get cancer, there's cancer institutes. You go, people are there that have had it, that have been through it. There's no Hiccup Institute. Doctors can't even direct you to a patient with this condition because they don't even know anybody. Not until I started a group. Until I started searching for people 3.5 years into this. Because nobody could introduce me to somebody so I could at least talk to somebody with this condition. I have to do it all myself. In this group, there's amazing people, variety of people from all over the country, Nigeria, all other parts of the world, who also can't find anybody. When they find this group, they're so relieved in a lot of ways, just to know that they're not alone, that this is really happening to them, and that we all can share our therapies and things that we try, because it may not work for me, but it might work for somebody else, whatever I'm doing. So everybody's different, but without this group, we'd all be suffering on our own. There's nowhere to go. Therapists are ridiculous. They don't understand what we're going through. They don't know. There's no studies on it, so I don't really trust therapists anyway. I think they're quacks. Got issues themselves. I've dated therapists. The worst experiences. Not to say there are good therapists. I'm sure that have done some good for people. I'm sure. It's just not for me. For this condition in particular. Oh, well, we do our own therapy. Because we know what we're dealing with. We know what we're experiencing. We know what we're going through. So we can talk to each other and help each other through. This is a burden on the people around us. It's very isolating with COVID out now this year. You do this in public, people look at you and move away from you as if you're contagious with that virus. Because we breathe these spasms, choking spasms, hiccups, burps. Sometimes it's noisy, sometimes it's not. I can control it. To a degree, it hurts more when I keep it in. See, watch. So I can go in public and try to be as quiet as I can. But it's not always the case when I have to speak. It's actually worse when I don't speak. So we're on our own. Navigating a condition that's not even on doctor's radar. wants to live like this, you know? I've lost 2 careers over it. One I had nurtured, gone in and out of since 1980 for the entertainment business. I can't be on a set like this. The other, since 2009, 2010, working in surgery. That's where I was working. But I had a surgery, colorectal surgery, came out of it with a lot of issues, and this is being one of many, where I was paralyzed in certain parts of my body. Literally. My pudendal nerve, they injected it. It's in the notes. For 3.5 minutes, and that particular nerve is severely damaged. That controls the down areas of your body. You know, the parts that you... It's just so depressing. It's hard to even talk about. It's so personal area. Such a personal area. You know? And then these. Originally, doctors just wanted to blame the anesthesiologist, the surgeon, who was late to her surgery. She's late to every appointment. Like, not just late. We're talking like an hour and a half to your scheduled appointment. She strolls in. When I went into that surgery, she was nowhere to be found when they were prepping me to go in. I came into the room. They were prepping on the table, frantic, because they still couldn't find the surgeon, because she was late to everything. Ann Lynn, UCLA, don't suggest seeing her. Colorectal surgeon, more like body mutilation physician. She wanted nothing to do with the hiccups when I saw her. She didn't want to talk about them. She'd pass it off to anesthesiology. She wanted no responsibility, but the lower region, where I was damaged, she insisted that it was just fissures in my rectum that was, and the other issues, there's no way that she could be responsible for. It was just typical. And then when I went to see her, the schedules were so long out that they pushed me over a year to see her. And then when Diana came in, she's like, gosh, I haven't seen you in a year. Why haven't you seen me earlier? And I didn't, for some, didn't come to my head at that moment to say I tried. But your scheduling was carefully crafted to keep me over a year, so she couldn't personally be responsible in a legal matter. So, the games they play. And the hospital itself seems to think everything was fine, that this is my issue that needs to be resolved through my primary care physician. So, word of caution, surgeons can destroy you, your body, your nerves, and have you never responsible for it. So, as I've said, my other careers in surgery, I worked 10 months under this condition, and it was very, very, very difficult. I was dying. They could see it, and to the point that the charge nurse followed me around because she had gotten a lot of concern complaints. And she followed me around, finally approached me and said, we need to get you this resolved, and we want you here. Can't do without you, but we need to get this resolved. And I think that they knew this was going to be a difficult challenge, but that my condition presents a liability to any employer because it goes into choking spasm. The more I exert energy, I mean, this is me laying still. If I get up and walk around, it's more aggressive, goes in choking spasm. So how are you supposed to talk on the phone or move anything? I mean, bending over is the culprit of all. I can't even tie my shoes. I have to bring them up on the bed, and everything has to be catered, you know. I have to find ways to do what was done, what you take for granted. I have to find ways to do now to accommodate. It's a whole new world. This disability. Try to live the best quality you can. So it's oops, sorry. July 20. What is it? 24th, I think. That's Saturday. I think the 24th, but who knows? I could be wrong. Often in these days. I don't know what the day is. Saturday. And late in June, July. I came up with a 32-hour episode, so I get a little energy. We came outside on our electric. Fuck. Almost had a choking spasm. A bunch of stuff just regurgitated. All the stuff I had for lunch. Up my mouth. Lovely. So, I'm going to get off so I can concentrate. Another choking spasm. So, July 25th, 2020. Almost going on 4 p.m. And just came off of 32-hour episode. I don't know how many hours in between, but not many. July 24th, I think, Saturday. 24th, somewhere out there. So it's July 23rd, 2020 at 7:46 p.m. I'm home, doing, must be working out, not me. This keeps going in and out of some really aggressive ones. I'm supposed to say subscribe if you like these videos, and pass them or share them with especially doctors if you know of any, or just share them to help get the word out of that hiccups is an extremely debilitating condition, and there are people out here that are really struggling hard and just to stay alive, trying to figure this out. Click like and share, subscribe. Fuck me. It's February 11th, Tuesday, 2020. God, this is my second one. 2 hours. So, for me, it's right now, these doctors aren't doing anything. So, giving them things they probably could do, like just reduce symptoms. Get the what's the GERD, as they call it. It's a nasty name. I just can't stand that name, GERD. It's an abbreviation for gastro, I don't know what it is. GERD. It's a terrible name. It sounds terrible. So, I've been asking for this for a long time. And COVID comes in and just destroys everything. And we should never have been in this position in the first place. Hey, it's kind of fun to go back and look at how I handled this 5 years ago, 6 years ago. So I'm doing a little retrospect my videos in the past. So thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. I know you have a lot of other choices out there to stop by and to view my channel. I really, really appreciate it. It really helps me pioneer this condition, and your support is everything. So make sure you click like and share and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you very much.